Good morning. So, next project, Russian olive. Really nice wood, beautiful grain in this stuff. I'm leaving the bark on. I've already cleaned it and cut all the nubs off and stuff. And we're just going to pour this into some epoxy. Not sure what color I'm going to use yet, and then probably end up hollowing this out at some point when it's dry. So today we're just going to get this poured, vacuumed, and into the pressure pot, and we'll see where it goes from there. So let's get at it. We'll let that sit for a minute. You've all seen me put bags on my stuff before, I guess just to keep it from making a big mess in my vacuum pot, which seems to happen often if you don't. So that's just the way I do it anyway. Make sure if you got any pockets like this that you put a hole in them so that the air can move through them, because otherwise you're just going to blow that up when you vacuum it. So it makes a big mess. Okay, that's it. She's ready for the vacuum pot. We'll pick you up over there. Okay folks, here we are 3-4 hours later, something like that, I don't know. See how much the wood has absorbed my epoxy here. I dropped a bit, not bad though. So we'll give her about 3/4 of a liter to top that up, and that should be good. And the dark pigment that I added to it, is this going to be enough, or are we going to need one more? Don't worry about them bubbles, the pressure will collapse all of that shortly. I think we're good. Okay, so it's been 3 days, and we are ready to take this out of the pot. So we'll see how we do. Probably going to need some air, as usual. Ooh, that one came out easy. There she is. Look at that. That came out really nice, really fast. Okay. We'll get her on the lathe, get her to the lathe, find some centers in it, and see what we come up with.
Thank you.